In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI network error. If Grok suddenly shows a network error, it's often due to a temporary hiccup, a stale cache entry, or a cookie that's gotten out of sync. We'll start with the quickest checks and move to a thorough reset that usually clears things up. Begin by heading to grok.com in your browser. Give the page a moment to load. If the error appears, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page, use the refresh button in your browser's toolbar, and let it attempt a clean reload. This forces a new request to the site and often resolves brief connectivity blips or expired sessions. If a standard refresh doesn't do it, fully close and reopen the page. Close the Grok tab, then open a new tab and navigate back to grok.com. This step clears the tab state and reinitializes the connection, which can help if the previous session got stuck or a service worker didn't update correctly. If the error persists, it's time to clear your browser's stored data for a fresh start. At the top right of your browser, click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Delete Browsing Data. You'll see options for what to remove. Click More to expand the advanced choices so you're not just clearing superficial items. Next, set the time range to all time. This ensures you remove every cached file and cookie that might be interfering with Grok, not just recent ones that could leave the underlying conflict in place. Finally, click Delete Data to confirm. A quick note on what this does: clearing cache removes saved copies of site files so your browser fetches the newest versions, and clearing cookies resets session information that can break when it becomes outdated. Keep in mind, this can sign you out of websites and reset some site preferences, so be prepared to log back in where needed afterward. Once your data is cleared, the next time the page loads, Grok should pull in fresh resources and establish a clean session, which typically eliminates the network error. If the error was caused by an outdated script, a mismatched cookie, or a corrupted cache entry, this process resolves it. That's it. You visited Grok, refreshed, reopened the page, and then performed a full clear of browsing data by using the browser menu, expanding to More, selecting All Time, and confirming Delete Data. Follow these steps whenever the network error returns, and you'll usually be back up and running in moments.